the most northernmost part, Indra Col. So Indra Col is in Siachen Glacier. So Siachen Glacier is the most northern most part of India. Jai Hind to all of you. Today our lecture topic is Siachen Glacier, Siachen conflict. So firstly I will tell you about the geographical location of Siachen Glacier, Siachen place. We all know that the most northernmost part of India is Indra Col. The most northernmost part, Indra Col. So Indra Col is in Siachen Glacier. So Siachen Glacier is the most northern most part of India, if I say, and most northern part of Ladakh. It is on the east side of Karakoram range and on the left side of Aksai Chin area of Pakistan, and on the below of Sangsam Valley which Pakistan gave to China in 1963, and above the Leh region, which you already know. So strategically it is a most important place, and it is the one of the highest battlefield ground. And if I talking about the height, it is located at approximately more than 20,000 feet height above the sea level. So the causes of conflict, if I say, in 1972 and 1945 Karachi Agreement and 1972 Simla Agreement, both agreement didn't decide properly the land boundary, the Siachen, the area Siachen Glacier, to whom it belonged. It belonged to Pakistan, either to India. Those agreement didn't properly decide proper land boundary. So since then this conflict is going on. Now in 1984 India launches Operation Meghdoot with the help of Indian Air Force and the Kumaon Regiment, that time the present there. And so before 1984, in the starting of 1984, if I say, India got intelligence that Pakistan had ordered in bulk of the hot suits and the materials and the equipments which prevent their soldiers from very hot environment, very hot weather conditions below less than -50 degree. And India got to know, India also got intelligence that Pakistan ने जितना भी सारा सामान मंगाया है, ये सब सियाचिन में कैप्चर करने के लिए मंगाया है, क्योंकि वहाँ पर जो weather conditions they are very harsh and dangerous. So India took action and India launches Operation Meghdoot, and through the Saltora range India captured the Siachen Glacier. Although Pakistan also tried, but due to lack of equipments and lack of preparedness, if I say, and very bad weather conditions, Pakistan couldn't. So that was the main reason why conflict is going on, and why it is most important, because I already mentioned that Leh is below the Siachen Glacier. And if we are on Siachen now, we are not on Siachen, we can identify everything. We can identify the east, west, north, south, everything, because अगर हम height पर हैं तो हम we can also take a sight on Leh. हम अक्साई चिन, हम मतलब चारों तरफ हम देख सकते हैं कि कोई इंट्रूडर घुस रहा है कि नहीं घुस रहा है. तो मतलब the strategically it is very important. And the one more thing, that more than 5,000 crore rupees spent on Siachen, more than 5,000 crore rupees spent. And if I talking about the disadvantage of that place, the bad weather condition there, which causes a lot of diseases, and I will tell you, more than 25,000 soldiers died till now, and the maximum reasons of their death, weather conditions, the diseases due to very bad weather there. So in the end, I would only like to say that Siachen is very important to India, because Siachen we are not captured Siachen, because through Siachen we captured each part around Siachen. And in the end, one line I want to say, that our flag doesn't fly because the wind moves it. Our flag doesn't fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.